Hi guys! Good morning! So, it's Sunday. Paalis na kami ng Solvang. Nakalimutan ko nga pala kayong i-tour sa aming kwarto. So, napakasimple lang ng kwarto dito sa... Ano kasing pangalan tong hotel na to?
Royal Inn.
Royal Inn Squavangunjun. So, napakasimple na ng kwarto dito. Yan, pagpasok mo, of course, ayan ang makikita mo. So, 2 bed siya. Ayan, si Miss Raquel. Medyo magulo na yung aming room. Ayan. Tapos, meron silang free breakfast dito.
Copenhagen Inn.
Ayun pala yung mga beshi. So, Copenhagen Inn. Royal Copenhagen Inn dito sa Solvang. Ayan. So, this is 2 bedroom. Ang lambot ng kanilang bed actually. So, it's so comfy. Ayan. And then, of course, meron silang TV. Meron silang little fridge. Tapos, meron silang dining dito na maliit. And then, of course, meron silang hairdresser. Meron din silang mga, ayun, dito, saka mga extra pillow. And then, this is our bathroom. Medyo magulo na. Sanabi ko naman sa inyo. Ayan. So, dahil nga paalis na kami! Ayan. So, tapos na ang aming trip dito sa Solvang. How much ang kwarto dito, Miss Raquel?
Not much. 350 a night.
350 a night. See? 350 a night. Compare mo dun sa iba. Kasi, medyo malayo siya sa mga, ano dito, sa mga pasyalan. So, ito yung pinakamagandang spot para mag-check-in kung gusto nyo mamasyal. Ayan.
In downtown Solvang.
We are actually in downtown Solvang. So,
Where
yan.
the activities, where the events going on.
There you go. Kung saan yung mga events and mga activities dito sa Solvang at mga restaurant, nandito lahat. Kaya kung gusto nyo pumasyal dito sa Solvang, California, dito na kayo mag-check-in. Ayan. Royal Inn Copenhagen. See? Hanggang pangalan palang Copenhagen. And now, our next destination is, we are planning to go to, Neverland. Yeah. Neverland, yun yung dating bahay ni
Owned by,
Michael Jackson. After that, then we gonna
are you able to carry this?
might stop by sa Pismo Beach. I'm not sure. Or, and then, ang pinaka main event namin is yung lights. Heaven of Lights. Yan. Yan sa ano. Saan kasi yun, kuya?
Never mind.
Never mind daw. Basta yan. So, see you guys later. Alis na kami kasi 11 o'clock ang check out dito. It's already 11:15. So, keep watching and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to put a comment, you guys also can add a comment on my video. Thank you guys. See you later. Oh. So, andito na kami sa labas. It's a nice weather ngayon dito sa Solvang. And we're trying to fit our luggages sa loob ng kotse ni Miss Raquel. Overnight lang kami dito, pero it was fun. So, last night, hindi ko na siya na-vlog. Kasi bawal naman ang video doon. But we went to casino. And we play a little bit games. Ano kasi pangalan ng casino, kuya? Kachumaka? Chumas Casino, ayun. Of course, syempre, sabi nga nila, hindi mo matatalo ang casino. So, walang nanalo sa amin ni isa. Pero, okay lang. Sabi nga, once in a blue moon lang naman ang pagpunta namin dito. Ayun. So, ewan ko kung nasan sila Luca. Kasi nag-walk sila. Dahil late na nga kami nakauwi kagabi. So, late na rin kami nagising. Tapos, nga pala guys, dito sa Royal Copenhagen Inn, meron pala siyang free breakfast. Ayan, dito sa hotel na to, meron siyang breakfast. So, before night, meron silang papel na ibibigay. So, you can choose what breakfast you want. There's a cereal, there's an egg, there's a Danish sandwich, and also may cheese pa, or if you want milk, something like that. So you can choose. Meron silang mga pagpipilian doon, and then you have to give that dito sa kanilang office area para tomorrow morning, kung what time mo sila kung what time yung chinus mo na i-deliver yung breakfast sa'yo, they just gonna deliver that in your room. Diba ang galing? Yan. So, kanina, ang delivery ng food namin is around 8:30. I thought you said you wanna go to, we're gonna go to Neverland. Boba.
Okay, hold on.
Picture muna.
Good morning.
Yeah. How's your vacation? Your mini vacation? Did you like it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah? Kahit natalo ka? Tinawanan lang po ang talo. Tinawanan lang po ang talo niya, me. Wag mong, sabi nga ng kanta, wag mong dibdibin ang iyong talo. May bukas pa. Mag-isa ka lang?
Next to the wine, we just pass you then.
Which
We're
one?
gonna go
Yeah.
to the boba place.
Sa what you call that? Park.
Now.
Now na! Dito ka na, dali.
Saan yun? Saan ba yung boba?
That's park.
Ay, saan ba yung... Nandun sila sa next to the wine. Yung giving like
okay.
We're looking for the boba, guys.
boba, this side. Dito ang boba.
Malapit doon sa after ng karaoke.
Yeah. Oh, next to the park.
No, here.
No, I'm talking about Luca. They're next to the park.
Wow, outfit for today ni Miss Raquel. O, diba?
Walk. Another walk today. Maybe this is gonna be a lucky shirt. Manalo.
Bakit? Magkakasino ka pa, be? Hindi na, be.
No, or not.
Mm. Tama na, be.
No money. No honey.
No money, no
No money. No
honey.
honey. My honey is not here. No money.
No
No,
money,
honey.
no honey.
Not around.
Wala mga pinanser. Wala yung mga asawa namin, eh.
Luca.
Ayan na ang park.
Yeah. Where's the park?
Yan na. Guys, kung mahilig kayo sa wine tasting, beside Napa, Sulbang is also good place for wine tasting. Ang daming mga dito, businesses na puro wine tasting. I guess kasi alam nyo, yung papunta kami dito, ang daming mga vineyard talaga. Yeah, so kung mahilig kayo sa wine, this is also a great place to do your wine tasting. Kami kasi hindi ako masyado mahilig sa wine. I don't like yung mga bitter wine. I like yung mga dessert wine, yung medyo matamis ba. Yan. So, andito daw sila. See, diba? Ang dami-dami pa rin tao. Kaarte. Di pa sila masyado nakakapag-decorate ng Christmas. Last time pala na pumunta kami dito, that was December after ng Thanksgiving. Kaya may mga decoration na ng Christmas. This time, wala pang masyado. Where are you guys going? Ayan, dine-decorate na nila yung Christmas tree na yan. Nagre-ready na sila for the Christmas. Kaway ka ng...
Remember in here?
Yeah, they have like yung carousel ni Santa Claus and everything. So I think they're just getting ready.
Because the Thanksgiving is not over yet.
Yeah.
So I think it's the best time to come over here after the Thanksgiving. Actually.
Oh, kasi kaya
And
pala
this
may
is
mga
gonna be
pumpkin pa sa
Well
paligid.
decorated, after Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's well decorated for Christmas. And it's beautiful, but I guess we're gonna miss out.
I know.
We came here before
Thanksgiving. Before Christmas.
Christmas. And Thanksgiving is not over yet.
Yeah, dito before talaga ang dami mga Santa Claus, mga lights ng Christmas, mga decoration. Talagang feel na feel mo yung Christmas dito sa lugar na to. Yeah, you don't have to go to Denmark to see Santa Claus. Dito lang sa California, meron na. Ayan na! Ay, Mimi! Oh!
Morning.
Yan, nahack yung credit card niya.
Nino?
Yung mother ni Bar.
So saan ang charge sa Florida?
Yeah,
kay
SeaWorld.
shampoo?
And then the yeah, I think family.
Bakit ginamit ba niya dito yung credit card niya?
No, not here then.
Oh, not here.
Saan pa ginamit?
Sa Florida lang.
I know.
Sa SeaWorld.
No, but what I'm saying, saan niya ginamit yung...
This one, just meron na tao na kagad. Na black na.
Magkano magkano?
Ewan ko, ang dami. Buti yung kasi Churchill binili yung grandchild niya, great-grand niece ng jacket.
Saan?
Tapos nag-decline.
Inward. Oh, right now.
Doon. Tapos, yeah, just now. And
Kung saan kayo bumili ng mga sweater?
is yung, no, Kabi, no, this more, it just happened now.
Oh, just
I know,
happened
but where
na.
did she use her credit card besides here?
Doon lang sa...
Ayan guys, mag-ingat kayo sa mga scammer. Grabe. Kasi pag ganyan tong holiday, maraming fraudulent yung mga credit card. Buti na lang yung credit card ko, hindi fraudulent. Why, kamo?
Why?
Wala kasing laman eh.
Tapos, kaya ngayon,
Tayo dito sa isang store dito sa Solvang. Grand opening lang siya, vintage holiday market. Yan. So, kaka-open lang niya noong November 22nd. Sabi nila, Luca, magaganda daw yung mga item dito. Pero wala akong bibilin, pero titingin-tingin lang tayo, okay? Oh, thanks, Santa. Oh, I like this.
It's a set
Matangkad pa sa'yo.
$15. Yes. This three? Yes. For 15? Yes.
For $15? Ano ba yan? Lalagyan na ng kandila?
It's a sleigh.
Mura, mama.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Mimi, ni Inana, reasonable price daw eh. 150, nice one.
Because my thing is very big.
Wow, look at this, guys. This is only $150 without the ornaments, okay? $150. Pink Christmas tree. Oh, 200. Oh, no ornaments is 150. So, kung gusto niyo na may ornaments na design, 200. Kung ayaw niyo naman is 150. That's actually so cheap. Alam niyo ba kung magkano nagko-costo minsan sa store? It's worth at least 350 to 400. And this is like a 6-7 feet of Christmas tree. Look how pretty it is. It's so pinky. Wow. So, binili ni Miss Raquel yung train na naka-display kayo na sa Christmas tree. Yung ano, is may kasama na rin siya mga village, $85. Yeah.
Kananti pa.
Tanggal mo sa kanya, mama yan.
Ano yan?
Trabaho dito yun, bibili rin eh.
Oo nga. Bibili lang din yan. Ano lang yan. Tumulong lang. La!
Hirap eh.
Paano mo matanggalin yan?
Yun yung last two na lang, di ko matanggal.
Guys, I am buying this. This is a complete nativity. Although meron na ako nativity sa bahay. That's a nativity of Mommy Perla. But I'm buying this for the house sa Pilipinas. Kasi $75 na nativity complete set and it's brand new. It's very cheap price. So dito mo lang yung makikita sa Solvang. Yan. Sa full nativity. Right? And they have also the boxes and everything. So, sold. Boom! Buy na! Oh!
it's alright.
Sorry about that.
It's not a big deal.
So here we go. We're getting boba here at how you pronounce it? How you pronounce that? Hi G Boba Tea and Smoothies?
Yeah, you're right.
Huh? Yeah. And smoothies. So we're all getting boba before we leave dito sa Solvang bago kami umalis. And it's hard for me to do some video kasi nga dahil bumili ako ng aking
Okay, F7.
nativity and I have to carry it. Yeah. Raquel already helping me out to carry some of the nativity pieces. So, kasi medyo ma-heavy siya dito sa box. Yeah, so this is gonna be I'm gonna send this to the Philippines. So, para sa bahay ko sa Pilipinas. Para next year, December, baka hopefully doon kami magpasko. Charot, pag natapos na yung bahay. Okay, let's go inside. I don't know what am I getting, but I think I'm gonna get just Thai tea with honey boba. Look at that. They have different flavor. They have passion fruit, they have mango, they have peach strawberry, white peach oolong. Yeah. So they have also different look at that. Different. Oh, they have Japanese sancha. Japanese sancha is also good. Yeah. So let's go inside.
How has this one? Large? Yeah,
Mine is F7.
F7?
Yeah.
What?
Are you gonna pay for it?
Yeah, I got it.
What?
Yes.
Sweet naman ni Luca.
Are we gonna sell you?
Di daw, you're gonna pay na lang daw.
Yeah.
Can I have a Thai tea, please? Tea 4 with honey boba too.
What size would you like?
Just the small one. Yeah, thank you.
The 50 cents more, you get
Oh,
medium.
Okay, I'll get the medium. I'm so sorry. How do you pronounce your store? Hi-G?
Huga.
Oh, Huga! Oh my goodness. Huga. Huga pala. Huga. Actually, the boba place is actually so cool. I like it. Very minimalist yung kanyang design. Even sa table. Yeah. And then also, they also selling some of this. Especially their tea. They have apple spice tea, ginger peach tea, pumpkin spice tea. Yeah. You guys also check this place when you visit Solvang. Yeah. They also offer black coffee, vanilla coffee. They also have hot chocolate. Yeah.
Do you have cash? Do you have cash?
Wala.
I don't have a dollar. Hold on.
Wala.
Let me ask my
No. I have a dollar, Luca. Luca, meron na.
Laki mo naman.
Eh, wala na eh. Oh,
Dala na lang natira sa casino. Thank you. Thank you so much, Luca, for the treat.
No problem.
Okay, guys. So it's funny, right? So we all thinking that this boba place name is Haigi, Nana, right? Haigi, but it's not though. So the name of this boba place actually is Hugu. Yeah, so it's a creating warm, cozy atmosphere and enjoying the good things in life with good people. That's the pronunciation. Hugu. Hugu.
good. Masarap ito mga.
Sarap, right?
Medyo masyado matamis.
Ano ka mag-gel nito?
Hi, Thai tea. Thank you, Luca. And Luca, oh my goodness, you have a big boba. Wow. What is that? Vanilla?
Taro.
Oh, taro. That's big.
With boba.
Yeah.
Is the second door and the third door. You'll see.
Good. Ito pa lang si Paula. Goodbye, Solvang. We will see you again. I don't know when.
Do you want me to turn around and then look at the first one?
No, it's okay.
Alright.
Ayan. 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 So, paalis na ho kami ng Solvang. We're on our way to Costco to put some gas kay Miss Raquel. Kasi wala na ang gas ang kanyang sasakyan.
We're heading to Pismo, not gas station.
And then after that, Pismo Beach, ang ibig kong sabihin, after ng gas, syempre kailangan natin magpalagay ng gas.
No, Anne's gonna push the car.
And then si Kuya, matutulog na naman. Tingnan natin. Baka mamaya may bungangang bumubuka.
No, laway na tumutulog.
Laway na tumutulog.
Niya daw, niloloko ako nito ang view daw puno. Ayan ang Vinland. Magbubuksan na ako dyan. It's right at the beginning of the ano pala. Vinland.
Finland. Maganda naman mura naman ng kwarto.
No, it's more expensive because it seems like it's a little bit high-end looking.
Never mind. We're good on our room.
And then we right over there.
Yeah.
Copenhagen is just right in there too.
Nasa
It's-
heart of
everything is-
downtown.
Yeah, exactly. I don't mind staying over there again. But not on room 206.
Not, why?
Because like the last time we went, we were on 206 and they were having an issue regarding the heater or the air condition. Then at this time around, we got the same exactly room and we have the same issue again.
So in
Oh my
4
gosh.
years, no
After
one
4
complained.
years. My goodness.
Nobody complained about the heater.
Okay, so okay, next time, like I said, I don't mind staying at Royal Copenhagen, but not at the same room. Okay, we'll check it out at different rooms.
Yeah, so you can get any room in that hotel except the 206. So last night kasi guys, we're having an issue on the AC. So hindi siya
Ma-turn on yung
ma-turn
heater.
on yung heater niya. Malamig man yung lumalabas sa kanyang fan. So may mga kasama kaming thunders. Kami nga nilalamig din, 'di ba? Malamig pa man din kagabi. So ayun. Natulog kami na patay ang fan namin, walang heater. Nakakulakbo kami ng ganun sa mga aming mga blanket. Ganda ayan.
Lalamog si Mami.
Wawa si Mimi kahapon. So kung pupunta kayo doon, except 206, it's good hotel to stay kasi nasa heart siya ng Solvang, but don't get the room 206. Warning yan, warning.
Yes, but not unless it is an operator error.
What do you mean operator error? It's us?
It's us.
We don't know how to use the AC?
You don't know how to manage that remote thing. So it's the same thing. Remember regarding my village.
Yeah.
Came all the way down here. I said it's not working. Dang it, I just need to turn on the button to turn it on.
Meron pala siyang button doon sa side. Gago.
Oh, holiday lights.
Ayan yan pala steak and ribs and seafood. Oh my goodness. Nagtsatsaga tayo sa pagkain doon. Meron pala
Oh
dyan.
no, it was good. It's nice to be hang around in downtown Solvang. That's the purpose of it, you know.
But we want rice though.
Oh, not me.
Wak kami.
She likes rice. She wants rice.
I like rice. Sabi ko nga, next time talaga, dadala ako ng rice cooker.